Well, this weekend I'm staying on the banks of the Daly River up here in the Northern Territory on my mate's property. We also owns a tourist park called Perry's on the Daly, who's got some excellent facilities here. But anyway, I'm here to do some fishing, catch up with him, jump in the boats and have a look around, and yeah, certainly explore this beautiful area that we're in. No, it's a spangled perch. Here's a beautiful location.
Yeah.
Oh, there was a flash behind that.
I saw that. There was a flash behind there.
Certainly was.
This is where our next one's going.
Right back at that lily pad.
I think so.
I'd be mad if you don't.
Is that where you're going?
I was casting one out there. That lily pad out here. Ooh. Something just grabbed it. Yeah. No, that's not what I wanted it, but anyway.
Bang.
Yeah. I think I caught a garden salad.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Is it barrel, I reckon? Or herring?
I think it was a herring.
Mm. Oh, herring.
Yep.
Oh,
Nice release. Saves me picking it up. On the surface up there.
yeah.
Probably about what? 70 metres from us?
Yeah. Yeah, like a lizard.
Yep. There he goes again. There's his head up. There.
Out the water, yeah.
Yep. Got a little length of it.
Big enough, isn't he?
Yep. He's not in the bonny boat. Fascinating creatures though. It's a big boy, I reckon.
Yeah. Well, he's fishing along this bank, so that's got to tell you something, doesn't it?
Yep. Gee, that's a big crocodile.
Around the bloody reeds.
Yeah, because that's where they hang around.
Yeah. That's right. There's fucking none here today. One cast, though.
Yep. Actually. Don't know if you can see it or not. Just down there. Crocodile on the surface. Decent size, whatever it is. Staying down deep.
Yeah.
There we go. It's a catfish. Oh, Jesus. So I suppose you guys want to know what we did with the catfish that we caught yesterday. Well, it was wrapped in foil, stuck with onions, tomatoes and cheese. Put it on hot coals, and I tell you what, it converted me, because for years I've been thinking those catfish, yet all ours is mud sucking bottom feeders, and I'll tell you what, it converted me. It ended up very, very nice eating.
One up on the bank over here too.
Yeah, just there. Looks like a salty, that one. There he goes. Oh, that's a freshie. Yeah, he's just sitting there, not concerned about ours at all, eh?
Yep.
There's another one up there too. Big salty. Oh no, that's a freshie as well.
Freshie. Oh, gee, he's big freshie.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Yeah, okay.
He wasn't happy.
No. There he goes.
He's a bloody big freshie, don't
That's a big one, eh?
Don't get much bigger than that.
Yeah, he is.
Sun's got some kicking in there.
It does. That's what I thought would bring the fish on. I'll barrow down there. Yep, yep. Just turned the camera off by mistake.
One little fella.
Oh yeah. Yeah, settle down, mate. We're going to release you. Nope, just jump straight out then.
There you go, little fella. Away you go.
Thanks, Fonz. Well, I just finished my fish trip weekend at Perry's on the Daly. I've known Dick Perry since I was 10 years old. He used to go to school with his kids, and used to work in his shop and whatnot, so it's good to catch up with him. As I said, I stayed at the tourist park that he runs and owns up here on the Daly River up in Northern Territory. So I'm on my way back home, back to Darwin. Just come across one of these creeks here. I'll give it a go, see what's around.